Hello, my name is Brandon Short, and today I am going to be covering squirrels' husking behavior. Husking is when a squirrel takes leaves or food and spins it around while gnawing on it. Here I have two videos. The first is of a squirrel husking leaves into a bundle. The second is a squirrel husking a nut. In accordance with Tinbergen's four hypotheses, my hypothesis for causation is that eastern gray squirrels need to feed to consume huge amounts of food for hibernation, which causes them to husk. According to Ramirez 2023, squirrels need to scatterhoard, where they gather as much food as possible and store it. According to Lima et al. 1985, squirrels will eat while doing this foraging. Furthermore, according to Turbo 2025, squirrels also need to be fattened for the sake of hibernation. While foraging for food, squirrels will husk food in order to open the nut. My hypothesis for development is that from their mothers, eastern gray squirrels will learn how to forage for food and husk seeds and other materials. When studying the behavior of red squirrels, Weigel et al. 1980, I hope I'm not butchering his name, found that offspring would learn how to forage from its mother. Squirrels would develop gnawing and husking behaviors from seeing its mother do the same. My hypothesis for evolution is that eastern gray squirrels evolved this behavior from the more common gnawing behavior found in multiple types of rodents. I have based my hypothesis on Mueller 1913. This study shows that most rodents gnaw their teeth on things because of their teeth continually growing. My final hypothesis for function is that the purpose of this behavior is that it allows eastern gray squirrels to bundle leaves for nesting and consume large amounts of nuts. I have based my hypothesis on two findings. Deeming 2023 found that squirrels will use leaves to build their nests. In addition, Smith et al. 1972 found that squirrels prefer nuts and kernels. Husking behavior is used for both functions, as seen in the earlier video. I chose to relate this behavior to Module 5.2, which is the feeding and foraging module. Husking is a part of scavenging because the squirrel is feeding on dead or immobile prey, which is, in this case, the seed. These are my references, and thank you for listening.